People are really dying to watch this bird in the wetlands. Wherever they go for bird watching, they want to see flamingos. So these are lesser flamingos. I clicked them near Sea Woods, Navi Mumbai. There was a very large and big flock at that time. Flamingos are distributed from Africa and southern Europe through West Asia to South Asia. They are very large birds with long coat hanger neck, big kinked bill, and very long pinkish legs. Plumage at rest whitish with pale pink blush and some deep pink often visible on closed wings. Flies with long neck and legs extended. When deep pink and black, wing patterns is a very striking one. Their beak is very characteristic one, and they have filter feeding type of feeding ability. Another nearby wetland, one bird you can observe even in the grasses, that is pied wagtail or white wagtail. Actually, it is white wagtail, not pied one. By mistake, it has been written pied. Distinctive but variable. All the plumages are some bold combinations of black and white and grey, show considerable variation in plumage across the world, but never has a clear, thin, and contrasting eyebrow like a white-browed or Japanese wagtail. It occurs in varied open habitats from wild grassy areas and wetlands to paved car parks and grassy lawns. Usually seen as the singles, they are also found in pairs or very small groups walking and running around. Next bird is a swamp hen or purple moor hen. It is also called as grey headed swamp hen, a large bluish purple with a red bill and forehead shield and red legs and feet with long toes. The tail is flicked up often, revealing floppy white underparts. Juveniles are duller than adults and lack the red bill and shield. A common inhabitant of marshy vegetated freshwater bodies such as swamps, rivers, and lakes. Usually found in small groups, feeds often at muddy water, and they almost corresponds to or they're also associated with some of the pheasant-tailed jacana and bronze-winged jacana because the habitat they share is same. Spot-billed duck. This is another very beautiful bird present in the wetland. You can observe the legs. It is almost look like a plastic leg, and it has been given colored oil paint or color as orange color, very nice looking color. It also has covered with green, blue, grey, brown color plumages on the body. The beak is covered with pointed yellow patch, with the rest of the bill is black and orange tip at the tip of the nostril. Looking very elegant bird. Another migratory bird, northern pintail. It is an elegant slender duck with a long neck and tail. Males have a chocolate brown head with a white slash coming up the neck, white breast and mostly grey body. Females are patterned light brown, forages in wetlands and in the fields of agricultural waste grains. I saw this bird so many times in Panje wetland, and I never came without clicking this bird. It's looking very nice. Uh, it is almost look like a cousin of um, northern actually pin shoveler. By mistake again, I have given name shoveler. It should be pintail. It is a pintail. I am extremely sorry for this mistake. Actually, it is resembles with the shoveler, northern shoveler. This is northern pintail. You can find the tail is having a pointed structure, so the name given pintail. Next bird is a very shy bird, singly present in the water body, white breasted water hen. It's a medium sized, fairly common chicken like marsh bird found in meadows, ditches, riversides, marshes, as well as parks and farmlands, very close to the human proximity. Adults are dark slaty above and white below, with a rusty patch under the tail. Juvenile similar but duller in color. Remarkably variable song is a series of hooting, grunting, and rasping notes. Next bird is a grey heron. This heron is a very common one, grey colored appearance, long neck with pointed beak, and having a continuous long white strip on the neck, on the long neck.